amazing possibilities that you can do with one product, and I'm going to show you now what we can do, and we're going to start with her gorgeous face. So let's get started. All right, so one of the things that is amazing about this product that you have at home is once you get this, you have a makeup brush, and you have a clean makeup brush that we're going to be using. You want it dry, you don't want it wet, you want it just to be ready to go. So what we're going to do is just do a few pumps on your own hand, just like you would with your makeup, and you're going to just literally start like you would with your makeup. This is already with her skin tone right there, showing the difference of a contour right there. So if she were to do her own makeup, this would be a perfect example of super light on the go, not having to wear a lot of foundation, bronzer. This is literally your bronzer. So then you're just gonna go down right here with your makeup brush, and it still has product on it. And literally what we're doing is contouring her face with the self-tanning foam. This is a trick that I do when I do my own spray tans on clients, is I do the contour effect on the face. And when you do this, just like your own makeup, you literally want to put it on like you would your own bronzer. So you're going to press against that hairline right there as well, so that it blends really pretty into her own natural hairline, and then bring it down just like this. So swipe it down through here, and if you need to grab more, you can grab more on your hand just like that. And then tap it, and then again, bring it down, and just go under and make sure that you're connecting everything, and just go like that, and go across, just like this. And you can already see the difference from this side to this side. This has the contour starting, this doesn't have anything quite yet. And again, my whole point was you're doing it on any skin tone. So we're not doing it on a super fair, we're doing it on a beautiful caramel skin already, and we're now evening out and we're adding contour to it. So a lot of women, that's the goal when they want to get a spray tan or just have some color, is they want to even out. So we're gonna go back now on this side, and then press into that hairline just like this, and you can see how it's already getting that color. And then again, more pumps if you would like, and you can put this in a bowl too and do pumps if you would like. For this video, it's just easier for me to show you just like this, and then bring it down just like that. And then with the opposite side, you can dry it a little bit so it picks up any excess. So that's why I love this dual-ended, and we will be offering these as well on our course if you would like. And if you would like to buy this, you can get it. All right. And then press into that hairline right there, just like this.
Yeah, I'm loving the feel of the brush. It's really soft.
Yay. Doesn't hurt you? Good. And then another great trick that I love myself is the contour of the nose. So again, what I'm doing is creating a contour effect for when she washes her face. It's going to be a natural, beautiful line of blending, not just straight edges. So when I go through the nose right here, what I'm going to do is sharpen it more like this and pinch it. And then I'm going to go just down like this. So again, up here and down like this, and then swipe right through here. So blend right there, and then we're going to keep bringing this down. And there is sugar in this, so there's caramel that you'll smell most likely as I put it on more, which I love. All right. And then make sure you bring it all the way down, just like that, so that everything from the face, once she washes off, will be evenly blended, and that this area, and this area, we're not touching. We're only touching that natural sun-kissed contour that you would want with your makeup without having to wear makeup. So I'm gonna do one more pass, and that's just how easy it is. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can literally do this by itself without having to do your full body and just say, hey, I'm going to an event. You wanna have that natural contour. You don't wanna wear a lot of makeup, especially here in Arizona. We like to preserve our face. This is the product for that because it's also hydrating. Like I said, it has vitamin E oil and other natural aloe, everything that, like I said, to keep this a clean product that I was very particular on. And then we'll do this pass. And then neck up for me. Perfect. Or chin up, neck up.
Same thing.
Same thing. And this is what's gonna give her that really chiseled jawline, is I'm making sure I go through all the way down here and really through here. And then again, just make sure you get right through there. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna do one more through here, up where you want the sun to really hit you. And if you have a larger forehead or a smaller forehead, it just really depends on how you want your contour to be. I like a real sun-kissed look up here, light contour through here so that it hits just like that. And then, like I said, you want to pinch through here, go right there, and then blend out. And that is with Filter Glow, how you can use it besides the entire body that we'll be doing as well.